Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. I thought I'd do a couple of quick unboxing videos. I thought I'd try and make them somewhat short, but we'll see. And I am just going to do a quick rundown of the Spellbinders May 26 card kits. Clubs. I get two of them. I get the press and foil and the large of the month. So I will show you. So this one, although the box is a little bit smushed, this month you get matte silver, which I don't think I actually have this one. I might do. I really need to sort them out. But I don't think I have them, any of the matte kind of colours. So matte silver, very cool. I don't need to put it all the way over there. And then we have the press and foil of the month. And basically you get a full A2 size plate. And then you have some sentiments down here and one die that will cut all the sentiments out. So there are 1, 2, 3 sentiments. So this is if you use it as the press plate, so as the better press. And these are the sentiments. Things are looking up. Glad you're along. Well, let's see where this goes. I don't understand that one. Glad you're along. Alrighty. And then this is an example of if you foiled it instead, using the hot foil and then cutting it out. Obviously they've used like a coloured cardstock there with the silver, I would think. And yeah, so that's the press and foil of the month. The large die of the month, I'm actually really excited about this because I think this is so cute. It's called Pop of Summer and there's 28 cutting dies in this, so it's rather large. But this is what you can make. I think this is super cute. You've got this very cool bird. Reminds me of like a, I don't know, Amazon jungle kind of parrot or something. Like an exotic bird. And then there's like a can of soda or something. And then you're using that as your, to add like your straw and your drinks things and all that jazz. So I love this. I think this is such a cool set this month. For May, we are in May still. Yes, we are. Yeah, so I'll be back hopefully soonish to show you some cards that I've made with it. So until next time, guys. Bye for now.